In this video, we're sharing a walking tour of Tampa's Riverwalk. The Tampa Riverwalk is a 2.6-mile pedestrian trail that runs along the Hillsborough River and ends along the Garrison Channel. A must-see when in downtown Tampa, the Riverwalk is a nice way to welcome your time into the city. We ourselves walked the entirety of the Riverwalk on multiple occasions, always starting near Amateur Works. We're starting this video here because of its parking accessibility. Amateur Works is a mixed-use commercial building housing a public market, event spaces, riverfront dining, and bars. We recommend grabbing a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants or even enjoying a picnic on the gorgeous outdoor lawn space. The trail officially starts at the Waterworks Park, heading south towards the convention center. Here you can see the Ulele Springs, enjoy an event, or even catch a few food trucks on certain days. You'll walk under the 275 freeway and see glass murals plastered between columns. Along the trail, you'll find marble and bronze busts of noteworthy people who helped shape Tampa. This one is of Ossian Bringley Hart, a former Florida governor. Now we cross under the Fortune Taylor Bridge. The bust of Mac Ramsey Winton. If you don't want to walk the entirety of the trail, you can hop on and off on the Pirate Water Taxi, which has multiple stops along the Hillsborough River. You'll walk past the Straw Center for the Performing Arts. After the Performing Arts Center, you'll see the busts of Eleanor Chamberlain, Ben Wolf-Maz, and Norma Russo on your way towards the Old Street Railroad Bridge. At about the halfway mark, the trail heads off the river to cross over the bridge for Cass Street. After crossing the street, you'll pass near the Tampa Museum of Art and the Curtis Hickson Dog Park. The bust of Herman Glogowski. On this section of the trail, across the river is the Plant Museum and the University of Tampa. Here is the bust of Henry Plant in front of the museum. Curtis Hickson Park is one of the more popular in downtown. The water display is adjacent to the trail. My favorite section of the Riverwalk is here in front of the Sykes Tower as the trail heads right onto the Hillsborough River. Across the way is WFLA, home to NBC. MacDill Park is a dedicated memorial space to military history, named after the Air Force Base here in Tampa. We're now coming up to the University Park. The bust of Moses White. The mascot of University of Tampa is the bull, and a large statue stands in the park square. The Platt Street Bridge is the final bridge along the Hillsborough River as the trail turns down the Garrison Channel near the Tampa Convention Center. The bust of James McKay Sr. This plaque pays homage to the world-famous Gasparilla Festival held right here in this bay. Convention Center Marina holds the Pirate Cruise Tour, which is very popular. This marina is also great for renting kayaks and paddle boats. The Harbor Island Bridge light display is best enjoyed at night and one of our favorite parts along the trail. Now nearing the end of the trail is Catanchobe Park, which is between Amalie Arena and the Garrison Channel. At the very end of the trail is Sparksman's Wharf. This modern waterfront area features restaurants, a beer garden, and street food stands held in containers. The rest of this video, we're sharing different views of the trail in the opposite direction, including this shot of us walking under the convention center. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think about the Tampa Riverwalk in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.